Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're watching this in real time, happy Friday, happy weekend, happy any day you're watching this. Welcome or welcome back. I love you guys so much and I'm so excited because we're opening up brown paper packages. So this is a subscription I've loved for a long time. It's a lifestyle subscription and it's a bi-monthly subscription, meaning you get it every other month. So you get some time to use your things. I love that. It is from Canada, which is awesome. So my Canadian friends, you guys can get this box. Every month there's a theme and it is so well curated. Everything is even wrapped according to the theme. The packaging is like the best I've ever seen in any box. It's always so fun to open and I'm always so excited to share it with you guys. So I will link this down below for you. This is kindly sent to me free for review but not sponsored. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And it says something about temperature sensitive on it, so I'm excited to see what's inside. I did like cut it open, but I didn't actually open the box yet, so we're gonna do it together. Hopefully I cut out enough tape. Did I cut all the tape off? I think so. Oh no, I thought I was like, oh I did, okay. Because sometimes it'll take some editing. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Seriously, I knew it. What does it say on there? Gather. Better call fall is the theme. Oh my god. Seriously, just starting off, you can tell like how damn cute. Whoops, my pillow just, do they package this? And then you can like repurpose their packaging too, which I always suggest. This is so cute. Definitely gonna put that somewhere. And the tissue paper. Oh my gosh. As I rip it open. Okay. Sneak peek. How freaking cute. So this is the October-November Better Call Fall box. They always give us like a little pamphlet that talks about all the items inside. And they source all their items from local Canadian distributors and sellers and companies there. It's awesome. And they give a little description of everything. And the pricing, I believe, is in Canadian dollars. When you go on their website, you can order it and see the US pricing and stuff as well for the subscription. And they always give sneak peeks of the January box is called Vanilla Ice, just FYI. So yeah, I'll set this to the side. Look how much stuff you get. I'm so excited. You guys, how fall is this? It's like just starting to feel like fall here. Today was like, it's 89 degrees or something, but like the mornings are cool. So I'm always like a season behind almost. So I'm like, look, I just put my like this there, but isn't that cute? I'm gonna keep my Halloween stuff out. But yeah, anyways, I'm just like getting into the fall mood and I'm so excited. But I think these are like bath towels or kitchen towels. Let's see. Oh my god, everything's so cute. Let's get the string off. Emmy, I like this. Hey, Emmy. She's been sitting on this box all day. So I had to like get her up to do this video. I'm like, I'm sorry. Oh, and there's something inside it. Okay, first let's look at this. Look how cute this is. It is like a kitchen towel. Oh my god, it's perfect for fall. I'm gonna put this right in my kitchen after this, which is like the same room I'm in. I live in a little place. It's so cute. Look, there's sunflowers, pumpkins, corn, wheat. Oh my god, I love this. I'm so glad. I don't have a lot of seasonal stuff, so now I do. And look what was inside of this cute purse. I really like this. I've been thinking I needed a new purse. This might be my favorite one I've gotten from them. And I like smaller ones because I don't carry too much with me. I mean, I either have like a lot of smaller purse or like the biggest like purse. I actually collect a lot of purses by them from this box. Brown paper packages, but I'm thinking in my head, I think I have this like black tote bag I really love, but there's been a few. Hi, there's Emmy. Look at the string. Come here. She's acting afraid of the towel. I don't know. This is cute. So there's a pocket in the back, which I like. You can put your phone or whatever there. Crossbody or side. Zipper closure. And then on the inside, it's just all open there. I like this. Emmy, what do you think? Can we say hi? Hi. She's like, no. But she didn't run away. That's good. Okay, let's keep going. So it's like a little oven mitt thing, right? Or what is this thing you just hang in your kitchen? Oh, and you can put stuff in there? And it doubles as oven mitt? Am I right? Oh, I didn't look at the pricing. There's 2 of these. Okay. I'm like so excited. I'm like not thinking and speaking clearly. So the crossbody bag is $19. And the Harvest tea towel was an extra gift. And then we have here Harvest pot holders. Oh, so you could like put your hand in this. And then, right? I don't know. There's something in this though. But these are so cute. There's something in this one too. I'll show you. They both, yeah, they look the same. These are so cute. And yeah, you can still like hang it on one of your knobs, you know, in your cabinets or drawers for extra decor. So cute. Emmy's laying on a little towel. Of course you are. I'm gonna lay on this too. And then I think this is gonna be soap, but look how cute they packaged this too. Ooh, baked apple, crafty candles, premium scented candles. We have wax melts. I haven't used a wax melt in a while. Oh my God, I'm excited. We have to smell these like right now. I'm so excited. Oh my God. It smells so good. I'm gonna eat it. Don't worry, I won't. It smells like freaking apple pie. It smells so good, so fall. I love it. Do we have this on here? Apple pie wax melt, $7. Then let's see what's in here. So we have another one of these. The two Harvest pot holders are $6. And let's see, I don't know what this is. But it's wrapped up in like a fall themed tissue. Ooh, yay, we always, I think always get makeup by Stray Cat Cosmetics. And it says Kiss Tint. Ooh, my yoga practice today was called like Yoga Kiss. It was cute. And this is in Toffee Coffee. Ooh, I'm excited to see what it looks like. But I like Stray Cat Cosmetics, so it's a Canadian company, like everything we're getting. But they give back some profits to animal charities, so love that. Here's what the packaging looks like. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And he's playing with the tissue paper with her toy. I love that. I already have some lip gloss on. That is so pretty. Maybe I can put it over. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh yeah. It's lighter than one I have on. It feels so moisturizing. You hear her with the tissue paper? I love this. This is so pretty. And this Toffee Coffee, I think that's so cute, is $14. Next, something wrapped in here in this little mailer. How cute is it? Seriously, the cutest packaging, like nothing compares. Oh, we have like a little fall cap, a little hat. This is cute. This reminds me of some of my cousins. They always wear stuff like this. It's cute. Oh my God, I feel like kind of nice. I have such a big head, you guys. And elf ears, which I used to hate, but now I embrace. I don't know if I can pull this off, but I do think it's cute. I think I should give it to my cousin. I don't know, do they have big heads like me? I have a very large head. Big brain. So let's see. Newsboy cap, $10. I think it's cute. Yeah, maybe if I like somehow got my ears tucked into it. Next up, another cute bag. She's loving that tissue. Or wrapping paper, whatever you want to call it. We have some fall earrings by Avenue 9, or A9, yeah, Avenue 9. Cute. Leaf earrings, $12. We still have a couple things. Ooh. Look at that. It's like washi tapes. What is this? I think it's a food item. This is probably the temperature reason. Oh my gosh. Maple fudge. What? Oh my gosh. I forgot there was even that temperature thing in there. Oh, I can't eat it till December. I'm doing, because it's like sugar and stuff, you know, this will be a treat for me. I'm not eating any processed things or like sugar carbs really, like in the month of November. So I'll probably end it around Thanksgiving. This is, oh my God, this will be like the best reward ever. Holy I haven't had fudge. Maple fudge is like I love maple flavor. This is so amazing. This is by Making Gourmet, handcrafted, or the Fudgery Shop. Making Gourmet, handcrafted in Canada. Oh my God, yum. I'm so excited. So this is $7. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. It sounds so good. I love reward systems, so that'll make me work extra hard to get it. And then, last but not least, and saving this cute tissue. Oh my gosh. Emmy, you want this string? You know what she likes? The plastic. So this is like a throw or a scarf. Let's see. Blanket wrap. Both. $22. Oh my God, it's so cute. So you could use it as a blanket or as a wrap. You wanna, she wants this. She likes chews on these. I'm not sure, I don't know. I just feel like we're giving her plastic. This is so cute and so soft. Oh my God, I feel like Emmy's gonna love it. Emmy, look, we got a new blanket. I love the color. Oh my gosh, I'm still thinking about the fudge. I love this box, you guys. Let's do a little recap. So perfect for fall, like everything, but like we got this little like blanket, so soft too. You could use it, like wrap it around yourself, use it on the couch. It's same color, it matches the maple fudge, which I'm like, oh my God, I need this cute cap. These two pot holders, which also like double as fall decor in your kitchen. And then Emmy's laying on that towel, the tea towel or the kitchen towel. And that was a free gift. And then we have this baked apple candles, this really cute lip tint. I love it. We have some earrings. We have a purse. And then we have like little extra like decor things and stuff we can repurpose. That's a lot of stuff. And isn't it all so good and all fall themed? Like, what is it, Better Call Fall? Yeah, this is really putting me in the fall mood. Like, even this freaking baggie, I like have to save for something. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this box so much. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, I will link them. The Fudge Sisters website. You can check out brown paper packages, which we opened up today if you are interested in other stuff on their site. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you for being here. I think I was just pretty repetitive, but whatever. Yeah, I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.